Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, October 4th. I am so excited to work with you with our new calendar for the month of October. Let's find out what's on today's card. Oh, wow. I do want to tell you that I did a little work over the weekend. I did flip over the card for Saturday. If we look at it very carefully, we have one apple that's red. It's different from Friday's card. And 3 apples that are green. 1 apple that is red and 3 apples that are green. So if we look at our calendar grid, we still had 4 apples, but I put 1 of them was red and 3 of them were green. Let's find out what's on Sunday's card. Oh, Sunday's card has 2 apples that are red and 2 apples that are green. So if we look at our information, we find out that, wow, for our number tree, our big number is 4. And the 2 numbers that help us get to that number 4 are the 2 red apples and the 2 green apples. 2 plus 2 equals 4, just like 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 0 plus 4 equals 4. Do you see a pattern going on here? Maybe we can continue that pattern with the next part of our calendar. Let's find out what it's on our calendar for this day, Monday, October 4th. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! No apples! What happened? Wait a minute. They're trying to trick us. We have 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And none of them are in the basket. Do you think we can make another number tree out of them? I think so too. Why don't we look at our calendar information here, and we can actually prepare another number to put here. We can put 5 at the top. That's how many leaves we had. None of them were in the basket, so we'll put 0 here. And 5 of them were out of the basket. So if we look at our information here, we have 5 is our big number, and then the 2 numbers below. 0 plus 5 equals that big number 5 at the top. Good job. Now, I want to ask you something. I've been doing a lot of work on this, but I want to add something to it today. We need to add equations to it. So do you think we can add an equation here? 0 plus 4 equals 4. Can we write a math story about that? We have 4 green apples and we have 4 green apples. That's a math story we could write. What can we write about today's numbers? Where we have 5 leaves. We have 5 leaves near a basket and no leaves in the basket. How many leaves do we have in all? Wow. Maybe we can write a math equation to explain it using our number tree. 0 plus 5 equals 5. So we're making story problems with these. Let's see what else we are going to do today with our calendar information for Number Corner. Oh, wow, our numbers are getting bigger. Do you think, my dear friends, that we can count going forward and backward by certain numbers? I think we can. Can we count from 1 all the way up to 30 going forward and then backwards from 30 backwards? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whoa, can we go backwards doing the same thing? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it! Very good job. The last thing we have to do today is count our days in school. We, for October 4th, let's find out, have been in school. Now we have to add another mark to our days in school, which now makes it 22 days that we have been together. 22 days. I'm going to put the big number 22 here on our days in school. Now I have to think, wow, what is a math fact that I could put down, math equation that equals the number 22? Let me try one. 10 plus 10 plus 2. Wow, okay, that equals 22. I can use that. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to write down at least 3 ways to make the number 22. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Have an amazing day, All Stars.